So, you want to learn how to do long division. Wahoo! All right, I am using an online whiteboard app. You can see the name of it, AWW Board. It's free. So, I'm just going to go ahead and model how to do this. Let me set up my problem, and I'm going to do something, a little more simple right now. It's not about you knowing your facts. It's about you understanding the process right now. So 715 divided by 5. Your first thought process could be, how many times does 5 go into 7? Well, 5 goes into 7 one time without going over. 1 times 5 is 5. Notice how I'm carefully aligning my numbers. 7 minus 5 is 2. I'm going to change my font color to green just to model the next step. I want to bring down that next digit, the 1. So now my question is, how many times does 5 go into 21 without going over? 5 goes into 21 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And we're going to subtract. It'll be 21 minus 20 equals 1. I'm going to switch colors one more time just so that you can see visually the changes that are happening. Now I'm going to bring down this 5. And I'm going to think, how many times does 5 go into 15? That would be 3 times. 3 times 5 is, in fact, 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. So 715 divided by 5 equals 143. If you wanted to check your answer to see if it was correct, you would take 143 and multiply it by 5. If my work is correct, I should get the answer 715. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm going to carry, whoops. 5 times 3 is 15. I need to carry my 1. Don't forget that. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Carry my 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. And as you can see, my answers match. Have fun trying a few problems on your own.